This is Matt, and this is a short video on how to see your purchase history on Audible. So I'm right here on my Audible account. You will of course have to be logged into Audible via your Amazon login account. So this is just the main page of Audible. I'm on audible.co.uk. It doesn't matter if you're on .co.uk.com or whatever country you're from. You will come up to the high bit at the top right here. You'll see as you hover over there, you'll see that you whatever membership level you have right here. I have Audible Premium Plus right now. We have membership details, but the one we're looking for is purchase history. So we click on purchase history, and now the purchase history will come up. And what purchase history shows you is essentially everything that you've bought on this Audible account will show up here. I just have one book right here. This Alexander Hamilton biography by Ron Chernow. But yeah, anything in the history of your account will show up here. You can, by default, it's showing 365 days. You can look for, certain years, and that will filter there. You can look at the last 90 days and so on and so forth. But by default, it's the full year. So you can see everything you've bought in the full year, and you can look further back if you want to. This will show you everything you've purchased on your Audible account. Hopefully this video has been useful. If it has, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.